how to withdraw money from crypto.com to your Cash App account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will be requiring Bitcoin address from your Cash App, and for that just simply open up your Cash App. After that, go to the Bitcoin section, and over there click on the option of receive, and over there just simply click on the option of Bitcoin. Then you will be able to find the option of get wallet address. Get your Bitcoin address over there, just copy it, and after that head up to crypto.com, and over here on the home page you will be able to find the option of Bitcoin. Just simply click on it. After that, select the option of transfer. Now select the option of crypto, and this way you would be prompted to select the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send and also the address. Just paste the address that we just copied from Cash App on crypto.com, and now type the amount and click on the option of send. Now a verification code will be sent on your email address. Just simply open up your email address and verify that it's you who is sending the Bitcoin from your crypto.com wallet to your Cash App. Also make sure that you select the option of external wallet while sending the Bitcoin from crypto.com to Cash App, and this way you would be able to send the Bitcoin from crypto.com to Cash App, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.